Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Gold Price Forecast for the 27th of September 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. The gold price forecast will include fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, gold technical analysis with our daily trade idea, and economic calendar, the key events to watch. Fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. It's been an interesting week here so far for gold, with gold down over 1% into the close on Tuesday, after on Monday gaining over $20 back above 1,300 US dollars per ounce, after we saw geopolitical tension again intensify between North Korea and Donald Trump. After this statement, gold immediately got a bid, breaking out from 1,290 US dollars back above 1,310 US dollars per ounce within a few hours. So certainly geopolitical risk is still a big factor for gold here. However, on Tuesday, Fed Chair Janet Yellen's statement has pressurized gold here again, down over 1%, trading back below 1,300 US dollars per ounce after Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen said the central bank needed to continue gradual rate hikes despite weak inflation. Gold technical analysis with our daily trade idea. Moving over to the gold chart, gold is currently trading at 1,295 US dollars per ounce after a revisit of the trend channel, which was broken after last Wednesday's FOMC statement, where the Federal Reserve signaled that they were in a position to increase interest rates in December later on this year. So with that, we immediately saw a breakout on the US dollar. Gold broke down over $20 back to 1,288 US dollars before getting a bid on Monday after geopolitical tension continued to intensify. And with the current price trading at 1,295 US dollars, I would suggest right now we have very simply come into a previous level of support, which is now providing resistance. We've also got resistance here going all the way back up to the swing high from September, which would suggest that short-term gold is vulnerable here. So from a trade idea point of view, what I would look at right now with gold, it has had a weak close here into the close on Tuesday. It's trading back below 1,300 US dollars per ounce. We can see very clearly where we've come into overhead resistance, and we've also retested a previous underlying trend channel which was broken during the FOMC statement just last week. So I would be looking for the potential of gold to break down if we were to see a breakdown of the weekly lows. And so from a trade idea point of view, if we continue this move to the downside, providing that we don't see any increase in geopolitical tension, in which case you need to manage your trades very quickly for gold, but otherwise the overall momentum right now is to the sell short side, and we may get a retest back towards 1,283 US dollars per ounce, particularly if we take out 1290 again. And below that, I would look for the possibility of a retest of $1,275 down to 1,272 US dollars per ounce if the US dollar continues to get a bid, following on from Janet Yellen's hawkish speech on Tuesday. If the US dollar continues to get a bid and we see more pressure on gold priced in US dollars, we could see the potential for a more significant corrective move lower here. On the flip side of that, if gold does not close below 1,288 US dollars per ounce, so if it doesn't break and close below that level, we may see it continue to get well supported at a previous major level of resistance here between 1,280 to 1,300, going back to both April and June earlier on in 2017, and also a significant area of resistance over July and August. If that level holds up on a closing basis, we may continue to see gold consolidate and then start to form a more significant base. And then from there, if we were to see an increase in geopolitical tension, we could see the price break out again here, but it would need to reclaim back above 1,300 US dollars on a closing basis in order to see the price start to build up more momentum to the upside. Otherwise, a break back below 1,288 US dollars and a close below that level leaves the price vulnerable for a $10 to $15 move lower here to the next key levels of support. Economic calendar, the key events to watch. Certainly on Wednesday, we will be watching very closely the crude oil inventory data. After on Monday, crude oil broke out to 26-month highs. So we'll be watching that data very closely for the next trading opportunity on crude oil. Also noteworthy is the Bank of Canada governor speaking on Wednesday, which, given the recent hawkish tones from central bank, including Janet Yellen on Tuesday, we'll be watching closely to see whether we will see more hawkish comments again coming out from the Bank of Canada, which could lead to more Canadian dollar strength strength, which can be traded inversely to oil via US dollar, Canadian dollar. We also have FOMC members speaking, as well as pending home sales and durable goods orders. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. For more information on the private members live trading room, please visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com.